Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope wherever you are, all is well, inshallah. قال الله تعالى في كتابه فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره. It means, so whoever does an atom's weight of good will see it, and anyone who has done an atom's weight of evil shall see it. During the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him, a person came to the Prophet of God and said to him, "O Prophet of God, teach me the Quran." His Holiness entrusted him to one of his companions. That companion also took the newcomer's hand and took him to a corner of the mosque, recited Surah Earthquake to him, and taught him until he reached this verse: "Whoever does good or bad will see it." The newcomer pondered and asked his teacher, "Is this statement from God?" The teacher said, "Yes." The man said, "Enough. I don't need to continue. I learned my lesson from this blessed verse. Now that God knows our actions, big and small, and takes account of all our actions, my duty is clear and done. This sentence is enough for my life." After saying this, he said goodbye and left the mosque. He went. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said he reached the position of jurisprudence, ijtihad, and deep knowledge that he should reach. Amirul Mu'mineen Ali, peace be upon him, said, "Indeed God, the blessed and exalted, has hidden four things in four things." It's a very beautiful hadith. Just bear this in mind. First, He has hidden His satisfaction in His obedience. So do not underestimate any of the obedience and acts of worship. It is possible that the same worship is according to God's pleasure and you don't know about it. Second is, God has hidden His anger in sins, so do not consider any of the sins as small. Maybe God's anger is in the same sin and you do not know. Third, He has hidden the answer in the du'as, so do not consider any of the du'as as small. Maybe the answer is in the same du'a and that you don't know. And fourth, God has hidden His wali among His servants, so do not consider any of God's servants as small. Maybe he is God's wali and you don't know it. The Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei says, "Divine hidden cameras watch and measure our actions bit by bit. And the most difficult thing is that they dominate our hearts as well." The hidden camera is not only in the building, in the work environment, or I don't know, inside the house, etc. There is a hidden camera in our hearts. What goes on in our hearts, what goes on in our minds, what we do in seclusion, all of them are reflected without any more or less. And on the day of judgment, these will be revealed. Let's be careful. All the best to you. Goodbye.